Evolution of media. Pre-industrial age is an era that occurred before the 1700s, also known as the prehistoric age. Most of the media used to record information during this time dates back to ancient civilization. During this age, people discovered fire, created paper with plants, and forged tools with stones, bronze, and copper. It only means that people in the earlier civilizations already had the skills to convey information through carving, writing, and drawing using materials that were available during that time. Some examples of media discovered are cave painting, papyrus paper, and clay tablet. Cave paintings. Cave paintings were available around since 35,000 BC. The people who came after this painting serve as warning for danger or instruction on how to kill wild beasts. It also served as a record of history and culture. Papyrus paper. Papyrus paper was used in ancient Egyptian in 2500 BC. According to Encyclopedia Britannica, ancient Egyptians used the stem of the papyrus plant to make paper. Paper made by papyrus was the cheapest writing material in ancient Egypt, and it's later adopted by the Greeks. It is also used extensively by Roman Empire. Clay tablets. Clay tablets were found in Mesopotamia in 2400 BC. According to Sutoy.com, the ancient Near East, clay tablets were used as a writing medium, especially for writing in cuneiform. Industrial Age. People used steam power, developed machine tools, and manufactured various products such as books through the printing press. It is also paved the way for mass production of goods and products and became responsible for the widespread dissemination of information. This is the era where hand tools are replaced by machine. During this age, five notable mediums were invented for much faster and better communication. These inventions are printing press, typewriter, motion pictures, telegraphs, and telephone. Printing press. Printing press allowed the mass production of books, newspapers, and other printed materials. Typewriter. In the 1800s, it allowed a more uniform method of recording text without the confusion of understanding the handwriting of different people. Motion pictures evolved from 1890s to 1926. Telegraph revolutionized long-distance communication upon its invention around the 1830s And this invention by Samuel Morse and other inventors worked by transmitting electrical signal over a wire laid between stations. Morse code. It assigned a set of dots and dashes for each letter of the English alphabet and allowed a simple transmission of complex messages across telegraph lines. Telephone. It is an instrument designed for the simultaneous transmission and reception of human voice. It is inexpensive, simple to operate, and offers an immediate, personal type of communication that can be obtained through any other medium. According to Encyclopedia Britannica, telephone was became the most widely used telecommunication device in the world. During this time, millions of telephones were in use around the world. Electronic age. Transistor was invented. Electronic age allowed also the mass media to take form. Inventions in electronic age includes transistor radio, television, first generation electronic computer, and mainframe. Information age, characterized by massive influence of the internet, and it allowed the real-time communication and ease of access to information. Inventions under information age includes the internet, portable computers, smartphones, and smart TVs. Now, let's proceed to the theories that explain relationship of media evolution, the social and cultural change. Technological determinism. It is the belief that media and communication have affected and will always significantly affect and change our way of life. For example, when smartphone first came out in the market, most people didn't know how to use them. But soon, after people are familiar with the technology, the norms of the people change. Now, we use smartphones for our important transactions such as paying bills, shopping, and ordering foods. Cultural determinism. It is the culture and society that shape technology. It means that society is still in control of technology. The innovations over time do not dictate on how society must adapt and functions. Technology, therefore, is a product of need and not the other way around. Because technology, when not needed or does not have a practical use, will perish. This theory reminds us that we are the master of ourselves and we should not let media take over who we are.